What's one random skill students on this course accidentally pick up? The unintended curriculum is what we call that. I think the number one thing that I've noticed that students develop when studying with us is a sense of confidence in themselves. I spent a lot of time with year 3 students, and to see the difference between them coming into year 1 and ending at year 3, where they're able to speak with such fervor and authenticity and richness, and they see themselves in a much more interesting way, a complex way, because they are able to think about the world in ways that maybe they weren't prepared for when they first came into university. And that is, I think, one of the most rewarding aspects of my job, is being able to see that development over time and to have such rich and meaningful experiences with such interesting people.